unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Yes, boiling water can damage kitchen sinks. To safeguard your sink, especially if it's made of porcelain, composite granite, or acrylic, always run cold water while pouring the boiling water to prevent thermal shock, cracking, or discoloration. Stainless steel sinks are more resistant, but it's still best to be cautious.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.